Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we will explain how to add menus to our game. Let us start with the main menu. I'm going to create a new scene. Create, and inside that scene, let me import firstly the images or the icons that I'm going to use. I'm going to use these three. Before anything, I need to change them to sprite. Single, apply. You can use your own image or designs. Apply, single, and apply. And then what I need to do, I need to add the buttons from the game object UI, and then buttons text mesh pro. Let me name the first one new game. Inside it, I need to write new game also. I need to make it here in the middle of the canvas. And before I do anything, I need to drag the image inside it. Let me change the font color to white. And here, I'm going to select the button and then I'm going to scale it like this. Of course, if I want to adjust it a little, I can change the width here like this. And then for the text, I can reduce it like this. And then let me check here. Okay. Then I can make a duplicate and drag it down. Let me name this one, for example, credits. I want to create a button for the scene for the credits. And here, let me change the color. And then another duplicate. Let me name it quit the game. And the text, quit. And on the button, I can change the color like this. Let me check the game. I have three buttons. The first one will be used to open a new game, to start a new game, and also the second one to make the players able to see the credits, the game credits, and the third button to quit the game or exit. Let me create a new script file, and let me name it main menu. And here, let me open it. Here I have the main menu by using I have the script. Of course, here I'm going to load different scenes, so I need to start with importing using Unity Engine, scene, scene management. And here I need to create three functions for each one of them will be used on the for the each one of the buttons I have. Public, void, new game, and inside it, scene manager, which load scene. I'm going to put inside it the scene name. I will add it in a minute. And here, ready. And here, wait, one, because quit is a save. And here inside the quit, what I need to do, I don't need to load a scene. I need to write application dot quit. This is a save function in the system. So once the player click on the quit, the game will be closed. But this function and this button will not work inside test when we test inside Unity. Once we publish the game, this will work. But here, for the let me before I save, I'm going inside the scenes, and this is the game scene I have, and also I need to save this scene and name it main menu and save. And let me go back to the script. Here for the new game, I want to load the game. For the credit, I need to create a new scene, and that scene contain credit 1, for example, credits 1 that contain the credits. Let me click on save, and then I need to go back to the scene. And here inside file, build and run, build profile, sorry. Here I need to add the open scene, the main menu, and then new scene. I'm just going to add a script. I'm just going to add a text, game object, text mesh pro. This is just for checking. Let me save it. Scene, credits 1. And let me go to build a profile and add it. Let me check yeah, everything is correct. And from the scenes, I need to go back to the main menu and click on play. If I click on new game, it will not work because I need to link the code with the button. Will be the last step. I need to create an empty game object. Main menu. Right. This is an empty game object. I need to attach the main menu script to it. And then inside the on the buttons here, I have on a click what I need to add. I need to add the function. So here I have the object that contains the script, and here inside the function, I need to go to main menu and here new game and the credit also same for the credit add, and then the game object that contains the script, main menu, and the credit function. In order to see the functions that I wrote in the code, I need to add public to be able to see them in Unity. And here also for the quit and main menu and quit. Now let me click on play, new game. It opens the game. Let me check again, play again. For the credit, to open the credit scene, I can put anything I want inside it. And for the application, for the quit, as I said, it will not work here. But once we export the game or publish the game, it will work it works only on the exe files. This is for the main menu. Now, what I need to do here inside the scene, I need to duplicate the main menu scene. So here, when I select the main menu scene, I need to click on Ctrl D, and then here, let me call it sub menu, and then double click on it, save, and now I'm inside the sub menu. Here, build the profile, add the open scene also, and here, instead of new game, what I'm going to write, restart. The submenu we use anywhere the player click on the scale. This submenu will be shown to the player, and then they could quit or they could restart the game. In the future, you will learn how to add a save the game or load the game. How we will learn also how we add an options to adjust the graphics, to adjust the sounds, to adjust the controllers. All of these we will learn in the future, inshallah. But here, restart, credit, and quit. And the restart is going to reload the same scene. It will be, that's mean we don't need to fix the script. But in order to call this scene, I need to go back to the, let me save it first, save, and let me go back to the game here inside it. What I need to do before I do anything, let me show you something. project manager, input manager. We added before the crouch, the jump, and here if you search, if you search for the escape, usually we use it, you are not going to find it. So you can add it here. Here it added as cancel. We can use that. We can use that. I'm going to use the cancel. We can add it as escape or as open submenu, but I'm going to use it as cancel. So here inside, let me go back to the scene. Inside the player move, here inside the update, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write if input dot get button down, and let me open two brackets between them. I'm going to call cancel. Here, what I'm going to do, scene manager dot load scene, and the name of the scene, we name it sub menu. I'm going to check if this name is correct or not, but this is in general. Once the player click on cancel, cancel means in the input manager, the escape button, the sub-menu scene will be loaded. By the way, this code, you can put it anywhere, uh, but the important thing is that you put it inside the update and you put it on a script that is used inside the scene. I need to put that code in all the scenes, all other scenes. If assuming if we have a game that contain more than one level, I need to add that to all levels. Here, let me check the name of the scene. Yeah, submenu. So here, save and copy this again. And let me try it here. If I click on escape. Yeah, I have problem with the name. Yeah, without the E. And here, if I click on escape, it is going to open this. If I click on start, it should start the game again. I need to check them. Sub menu. Yeah, it seems that I need to add the events again here. I think because I didn't save the scene before I duplicate it. So here I need to add an empty game object. Menu, grep, I'm now inside the sub menu, and here I need to attach the same script. Inside the new game, I need to add an event, and here the game object. Inside the function, I need to call to select the new game. Same step, same steps for the second one. Credit and the quit. Save. Let me go back to the game and let's play again. Let me check. If I click on restart on the escape, now I can click on restart. If I click on escape again, I can go to the credits. If I click on escape, it will not work because I need to add the code in all the scenes. So here inside the credit, I'm going to open it again. And here, I'm going to create a new script because in the credit scene, I don't have any script. So here, sub menu, and here inside the update, I'm going to put it. But of course, I have the scene management here. It's good. Save. And let me attach it to the text. And file, save. And let me go back to the game and hit on play. Here I can play. And then if I click on escape, I can restart. If I click on escape, I can go to credit. If I click on escape, yeah, I need to fix the same issue I made with the previous text, with the previous name. Yeah, scene name. And here, now it should work fine. Let me test for the last time. Escape, credit, escape, restart, and then the game it will open again. Here I can arrange the scene. For example, the first scene I want the game to start with is the main menu. I can drag it to the top, and we are going to check that when I explain to you how to publish your game. But in general, we start with arranging them from here. And here, if I open the main menu, if I click on play, I can click on a new game, and if I want, I can click on escape. And as I said, I can add many buttons as much as I want or as I need. And that's how we create the main menu, the sub menu, and how we link the buttons with the script, with the scenes. That's it for today. See you next tutorial, inshallah.